Hey Pectus Warriors, what's going on? It's Byrne from FixPectus.com. In today's video, what I wanted to show you is a great exercise for pectus. And it's kind of an unusual exercise. Most of you probably haven't heard of it. And what it is it's the dumbbell Z press, okay? So that's why I'm on the floor, because I'm going to demonstrate to you what it is. And then I'll explain to you the benefits. So for the dumbbell Z press, you just want to sit in this position here, okay? And with your legs out in straight, no back support, and you're just going to do a single arm shoulder press, just like this. Okay, and now obviously with any unilateral single arm work, you're going to match the amount of reps you did on one side with the other. Now, why this movement is so fantastic for pectus is that seated position with no back support is really challenging on your mobility. If you guys try it now, you'll find, oh my God, it's quite hard. You'll find that your back wants to round, and probably you might not even be able to get into that seated position with a straight back. And so that is showing you that you have bad mobility and a tight back muscles and a tight posterior chain, and we need to work on that. We need to open up your thoracic mobility so you can keep a nice straight back in that position, okay? And so, that's going to help your posture, which is going to help your pectus. And so as you continue to work with this movement, it'll be challenging your mobility, and it's also testing your mobility and testing if the stretching is working and providing more motivation to get that done. So that's one great reason for it. Another great reason for it is because that position makes us activate our core. It's very important you keep your core engaged in that position, and you can't really keep good posture unless your core is engaged. So it's really great for engaging the core, which I always preach is such an important part for fixing pectus without surgery and making your rib flare look a whole lot less prominent. So definitely something we want to be doing, okay? So any exercise that activates our core is a win for pectus, okay? And then aside from that, it's obviously working your shoulders, which, as I always say, an overall muscular physique is beneficial for pectus. Doesn't matter if it's arms, shoulders, legs. When you're more jacked, it's going to take away from people looking at your indent, and instead they're going to look, wow, that guy has a great body, that guy has a great physique, and it's going to build your confidence so you feel good about yourself. So that's the dumbbell Z press. It's an amazing movement. So yeah guys, just a quick little video to show you guys the dumbbell Z press. Great movement. Definitely give it a try and start implementing it. And if you're interested in coaching, you want a comprehensive program with all of these amazing movements in there, specifically a program that's going to work for you and where you're at. No more guessing. Time to just get those results, fix your pectus, you'll build the muscles so fast. Like if you look at my client testimonials, man, it seriously works. So if you're interested in that, link is in the description, and you can sign up for that, book a call with me. We can meet each other and then go from there. Anyway guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.